everyone, I'm Joy and I'm from the IPET. We are a Singapore company for the drones propulsion system. Like you can see, the popular products is the propeller and the motors and ESC. They come together with a set. So it's very easy to install to your drones whole system. And we have the high payload for the long fighting times. That is for the high efficiency with the whole system, and our testing over the 10,000 hours for the lifespan for the our i7 system. And you can see we can also provide the drones. And this drones has very quickly the propellers release. Like this one, we can just release with one hand. It's very easy to put in and release. Yeah, so that is our products. It's very high quality and quiet for the noise. Okay, so we can also provide the custom service if our regular products cannot meet. That is about our products. Thank you.